Hello and welcome back to a new week of CNG 132-500 summer class. Um, I made a video earlier this morning, and I don't know why this page is loading slow, but there was no audio to the entire video. I felt kind of bad about it. This week we were covering chapters 13 and 14. So as we come to the end of the book and into the course, the last three chapters are about how everything that we've covered, um, the very, very broad scope of security, um, how it all intertwines and how it all starts to wrap up into one item. I don't know what's going on there. Oh, stop. Let's try again. Let's see. Um, for this week, I know I still owe you guys one graded item. I didn't get to it last week. I'll definitely get to it this week and get that in there and done. And I think I can break away tomorrow and do it over lunch and get everything done. Tests. It looks like no tests are fitting over. I did try to push a synchronization over from the Cengage website, but that didn't happen. Well, I should say it took place on their side, but didn't take place over here. As I was looking at the gradebook earlier this morning, I didn't see test score still in there. So if you have a test score and it's low, look at your grade, because once I get those imported by hand, those grades will drop. But make sure you have Kaplan in, and that you're doing Kaplan to get that 70 or better. Right here, Kaplan test. Once you get that 70 or better, put that in there. It can be a screenshot, screen capture, selfie. Somebody sent me a link to an OBS. They did it on Twitch and saved the video on Twitch, so I was able to watch them take the test on Twitch. Is pretty wild. So a good out-of-the-box idea right there for that person. For the Kaplan quiz, you just simply submit a picture that you have access to Kaplan. The security policy, no one's turned it in this week or last week, so make sure you start working on those, because that does take a little bit of time. You're looking about an hour and a half to get that one done. Basically, you're going to take two security policies from one of the websites, or examples from one of the websites that I did show you on the home screen. Right here, and kind of look at what you're going to write about, or even use their format. You're going to see that I think SANS.org has like a 7-step process. SWDGE, they used to have about the same amount, and NIST, that one had fewer on that one. So make sure you're working on that. Once again, that is a self-written document. You're going to write that. Once again, make sure you're doing that Kaplan rehearsal. Get those test scores up. I don't recall seeing a perfect 100 across every test so far. So make sure you're getting that in. Let's see, we have all of this week, all of next week, and then 2 additional days. We go to the 4th of work. So if you're behind in anything, or once again, I don't round up in this course because I do give you extra credit chances, and I have a new extra credit chance for you this week. I think it's in discussions. So we've done, let's see, scam email or not. So we've done Find Me on the Internet. We've done social engineering. Wi-Fi is safe. We've done that. This week we're doing scam email or not. I do have some scam emails, but I do also have, I believe, a scammer from LinkedIn. So I'll post both those up for you. If you want to do them both, that's great. I'll give you extra credit points for those. These extra credit points goes toward your grade at the end. say if you're on like an 89 point, I don't know, 5, you know, and you do 1 extra credit, probably gonna wind you up to uh, the 90, get you that A. If you do, like all 4, probably if you're close, you know, and I would say close like 87, 86. If you definitely did all 4, I'll probably bump you up to that next grade level. So that's why, I don't really round up in this course, because I give you chances to do extra credit. You just need to take that advantage of that to get that in. Um, hop in there. Like I said, I give you the opportunity to walk out of this course with the grade you want. It's up to you to take those steps to get it. Any late assignments, get them in. Any projects, labs, make sure you go back and do those. If you're behind and you're behind, and I get those tests imported, and you kind of you turn in all your work that Sunday and I grade it, and you say, you know what, I'm kind of fine with this grade. I'll just walk out of here with my final grade of what it is. You don't have to do any more work after Sunday the 2nd. But if you want to improve your score, once again, you have that Monday and that Tuesday to do it. So make sure you take advantage of that. You'd be surprised how many people are so close, to get that grade up, but fail to take advantage of that. So read the chapters this week. Once again, we're looking at 13 and 14, vulnerability assessment, business continuity. We're looking at how everything applies and how security is really just a multi-layered way to go. Way to go. If you have any questions, reach out. Google Hangouts, I can definitely answer you. I should be at home for the rest of the week. I got all my stuff to work remote, so yeah, I should be able to answer your text in the Google Hangout. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.